In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So at first let's open the camera, switch to video then, and now in this right upper corner you can change it like immediately. So just tap on 4K, and as you can see it will be switched to HD, and then back again, and here you can change the FPS. So you can pick 60, 24 or 30, it's up to you. However, you can also manage it via settings. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select camera. Here it is, and here you will notice a record video. So just mark it, and here you can pick, as you can see, all the combinations. So it can be 4K at 24 FPS if you'd like to apply it, then HD at 30 FPS, just whatever you'd like to apply. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.